Welcome to Hand Camp! Hi, my name is Emma and welcome to Hand Camp Week 3. Today we're going to practice the alphabet with the help of some of my good friends. Don't worry, you'll get to meet them soon. Then we're going to practice writing our names, but we're going to make it art. And lastly, we'll get to practice the alphabet with some of our new friends again. How does that sound? You guys ready? We are going to learn the alphabet, but we're going to do it the Zoo-Phonics way. Can you say that word? Zoo-Phonics. Good. I will show you the letter, introduce you to my friend, and then you can make the same body motions that I make with my body and make the sounds that I make as well and follow along for the whole alphabet. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. So we're going to meet my friend, Allie the alligator. Allie goes, ah, ah. Can you do that? Great. Next we're going to meet Bubba Bear. Bubba Bear goes, buh, as he eats the honey out of the tree. Buh, buh. Next, we're going to meet Katina Cat. Katina Cat likes to clean her whiskers and go k. Next, we're going to meet Dee Dee Deer. She has cute little ears and she goes duh, duh. Next, we're going to meet Ellie Elephant. She goes with her big long trunk. Next, we're going to meet Francie Fish. Francie Fish goes swimming. You can swim around a little bit. Next, we're going to meet Gordo Gorilla. Gordo Gorilla likes to eat bananas. So we're going to peel our banana and go good, good. Next, we're going to meet Honey Horse. Honey Horse likes to gallop around. Can you do that? Next, we're going to meet Innie Inchworm. Innie Inchworm likes to sneak around and go And then we're going to meet Jelly Jellyfish. Jelly Jellyfish goes j, and wiggles his whole body while he swims around. Next, we're going to meet Kangaroo. Kangaroo goes Can you do that? Don't punch anyone. Next, we're going to meet Lizzie Lizard. Lizzie Lizard likes to lay in the sun and go, ooh, ooh. Next, we're going to meet Missy Mouse. Missy Mouse is a little bit shy, so she goes, and kind of hides behind her paws. Can you do that? Next, we're going to meet Nigel Night Owl. Nigel Night Owl likes to sit on his tree and look around and go, n. Next, we're going to meet Olive Octopus. Olive Octopus has a lot of legs, and he likes to swim around and go, oh. Next, we're going to meet Pee-wee Penguin. Pee-wee Penguin likes to waddle around and go, Next, we're going to meet Queenie the Quail. Queenie the Quail likes to go around and go, That's a hard noise to make. Let's do that one again. Next, we're going to meet Robbie Rabbit. Robbie Rabbit has big ears and he likes to hop around and go, Next, we're going to meet Sammy Snake. He likes to slither around and go, but you can have two Sammys. Next, we're going to meet Timothy Tiger. Timothy Tiger is really strong. So he goes, Can you do that? Next, we're gonna meet Umber the umbrella bird. Umber the umbrella bird has a little umbrella. She goes, Next, we're gonna meet Vincent Vampire Bat. Vincent Vampire Bat likes to fly around and go v. Then we're going to meet Willie the Weasel. This one's my favorite. Willie likes to run around like this and go whoop, whoop, whoop. Can you do that with your arms? And then we're gonna meet Xavier the Fox. Xavier the Fox likes to sneak around through the trees and goes Then we're gonna meet Yincy Yak. She likes to yak on her telephone and go yeah. And then we're gonna meet Zeke the zebra. He likes to take naps and catch his Z's like zzz. Great job!
Today we are going to make art with our name. Your teacher will give you a piece of paper with your name on it. My name is Emma, so you can see that right here. Your teacher will give you some paint and some cotton swabs along with your name. To get started, you will take a cotton swab and hold it with just your fingers. You can either use 2 fingers to pinch or 3 fingers to pinch, or hold it like your pencil. We don't want you to hold it with your whole hand like this. I really want you to focus on using just your fingers because that will help make them stronger to do the other school activities like writing, cutting, and folding paper. Once you have your cotton swabs all ready, you're going to dip the tip into the paint like a paintbrush. Then you will take the cotton swab over to your name and you will make 1 dot at a time. Try to put each dot directly next to the first dot you made. Try and touch each of the edges without overlapping the dots too much, like this. You can use the hand not holding the cotton swab to hold the paper in place so that it doesn't move around on you while you're making your art. Make sure that you think about where you are placing the dots. This will help train your brain to tell your hand what to do, and it'll help your hand listen better to your brain, especially when we are writing or drawing. Trace each letter of your first name, like this. Get more paint as you need it, but don't use too much. If you finish early, you can always draw shapes around your name using that same dot pattern that we just practiced. I think clouds, flowers, sun, and even fish, or mountains and water look really cool with this style of painting.
Hey friends, did you like that last activity? I hope you did. That art is one of my favorite things to do. So we're gonna go through our Zoo-Phonics alphabet one more time before we finish camp today. How does that sound? You guys ready? Okay, make sure you're standing up and make sure you have plenty of space around you, and we'll go ahead and get started. So we'll start with A. Allie Alligator. She goes A. B. Bubba Bear. B. C. Katina Cat. D. Dee Dee Deer. D. E. Ellie, elephant. F. Francie, fish. G. Gordo, gorilla. H. Honey, horse. I. Any inchworm. J. Jelly, jellyfish. K. Kanga, kangaroo. L. Lizzie, lizard. M. Missy Mouse. N. Nigel, night owl. O. Olive, octopus. P. Peewee, penguin. Q. Quinny, quail. R. Robbie, rabbit. S. Sammy, snake. T. Timothy, tiger. U. Umber, umbrella bird. V. Vincent, vampire bat. W. Willie, weasel. X. Xavier, fox. Y. Yancy, yak. And last but not least, Z. Zebra. Great job, everyone. Thanks for coming today. The hand song.
My hands cut, my hands dance, my hands help me play. My hands like to do cool things each and every day. Now I must wave goodbye, which makes me sort of sad. I hope that I see you again. I would be so glad. Yay!